Okay, so we're going to be looking at 2017 C4 question 6. It's quite a long one. So x equals 2 plus 3 sine theta, y equals sine theta minus cos theta. So part 1 is wanting dy by dx. So obviously your y is in terms of theta, so you have to split that up. And let's go through theta. Okay, so up here, differentiating this with respect to theta, 2 disappears and sine goes to cos. Differentiating this with respect to theta, sine goes to cos and cos goes to minus sine. So a minus and a minus gives you a plus sine. So dy by dx is cos theta plus sine theta. The theta by dx is this one upside down, so it's 3 cos theta. Now I would be inclined to split that up just to cancel it down a little bit. So just writing each of the top line bits out separately. So I'm left with 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 tan theta. Part 2. You want to differentiate again. Be careful. When you differentiate this, so when you go to differentiate dy by dx, you can only differentiate it in terms of theta. Okay, so we're bringing that theta in. So if this bottom of this is theta, the top of this has to be theta over, I want it to end in x. So differentiate your dy by dx with respect to theta. Third will disappear. Tan will go to sec squared. So that's a third sec squared theta. The theta by dx is this one up, so the top one upside down. So it's 1 over 3 cos theta. Now, remember what's, let's do numbers first. So it's 1 over 9. Sec squared is 1 over cos squared. So you've got 1 over cos cubed now in the bottom row. Or you could write that as sec cubed over 9. Part 3 of this is talking about the turning point. If you remember what turning points are, it's when dy by dx equals 0. So let's go up to where you have dy by dx and let's put it equal to 0. Now I would make that a little bit easier by making the bottom lines all over 3. Bring that 3 across in times. So you've got tan theta equals minus 1. So you need your basic angle. So it's inverse tan of 1, which is your 45 degrees, or pi over 4. You have got a negative tan, so you're in here or in here, so we'll go for this one. So that's pi over 4, and that's pi. So your answer is pi, for this angle, minus pi over 4, which is 3/4 pi. Now you want the x value. So x is 2 add 3 sine your angle. So that equals 2 plus 3, and that is root 2 over 2. And then you want your y. So your y is sine your angle minus cos your angle. So that is root 2 over 2 minus becomes a plus root 2 over 2, which is root 2. And your second derivative, d2y over dx squared, so if you put that through, is, slightly second here, so it's 1 over 9 cos theta cubed. So if you put that, your theta into that, so it's cos 3 pi over 4 cubed. So let's see what happens there. So cos 3 pi divided by 4 is minus root 2 over 2 cubed. Now cubing a negative is going to give you a negative, so it's going to be negative over all. So it's under 0, means negative, meaning it's a maximum.